Today topic of lecture partnership. Partnership is the one of the business organization, business form. What is partnership? Define as the relationship between two or more persons who have agreed to share profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. It is called a partnership. Partnership depends as the relationship between two or more persons who have agreed to share profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. It is called a partnership. Partnership is the two or more persons agreed to share the profits of business and all activities you carrying any all persons involvement or anyone them you carrying the businesses. It is called a partnership. Features of partnership scheme or characteristics of partnership frame. Agreement, presence of business, sharing of profits, unlimited liability, dual role of principal and agent, number of members, restriction on transfer of shares. These all are features or characteristics of partnership frame. First one is agreement. Second one, presence of business. Third one, sharing of profits. Fourth one, unlimited liability. Fifth one, dual role of principal and agent. Next one, number of members. Next, restriction on transfer of shares. These all are features of partnership or characteristics of partnership. One by one, I explain now. First one is agreement. Any partnership business have agreement. No agreement, that is not a partnership thing. This agreement also must or oral or written. Oral or written. Have agreement their partners before starting the business. In this agreement, all clearly you mention every partner or investment amount, share of profits or maintenance or involvement, all business, who is person, key role in the business, all are clearly mentioned in agreement. It is oral or written. Next one is presence of business, partnership business. So you the running all partners presence, not outside. All partners involved in this type of businesses. Local, 2 or 3 persons, your agreement, you start the business, their presence is one of the character or feature. Next one is sharing of profits. Every partnership or share the profits in the all partners in past partnership frame. That sharing also clearly known the agreement partnership frame. This is one of the character. Compulsory all partners or profits in the partnership frame you share divided their ratio of in agreement every partner. Unlimited liability in this one of the feature. In this streams also any liability also unlimited. Sometime get the losses. That time also you pay the loans or liabilities not cover our investment amount. All partners. Remaining balance pay their own assets for payments of liabilities. It is a unlimited liability, not limit. Next one is dual role of principal and agent. What is dual? Dual means two side. One side also principal, another side agent. Principal is the owner of business. Every partner, our partnership team, owner in acting. Another side also agent, other partners. Purpose you acting the our business activities. So every member of partnership, two roles. One is principal, second one is agent. Next one is number of members. Any partnership firm, minimum 2 members. Any partnership have minimum 2 members. Start the business. Maximum have banking businesses also 10 members. Other general businesses have 20 members. Banking business also this type of businesses finance type of the businesses. In these businesses also minimum 2 members, maximum 10 members. General businesses, all businesses have minimum 2 members, maximum 20 members, below 20. Next one is restriction on transfer of shares. Restriction means condition. Transfer means change of our share, investment in the business frame. Any partner drop our investment amount or change the others, not easy. Compulsory agree to the other partners their transfer of share. Not agree any partner, that person is not transfer the or share of investment amount others. This is one of the restriction. Not easy to the any partner drop the our business or change the or share others. Compulsory other partners agree their transfers. Not agree, that person also not transfer the or share of investment others. These all are features of partnership scheme. First one is agreement. Second one, presence of business. Third one, share of cap profit. Fourth one, unlimited liability. Sixth one, dual role of principal and agent. Next one, number of members. Last one, restriction on transfer of shares. Next, advantages or merits of partnership scheme. Advantages or merits of partnership scheme. Some advantages also in this type of businesses you compare to the sole trader business. More advantages. That all are as follows. Easy of formation. Large resources. Flexibility. Promptness. Balance judgment. Reduce risk. Greater managerial talent. These all are advantages or merits of partnership scheme. First one is easy of formation. Large resources, flexibility, promptness, balance judgment, reduce risk, greater managerial talent. These all are advantages of merits of partnership. One by one, I explain. Now, first one is easy of formation. Partnership forms also very easy formation. Only two members are willing or interested will be start the business. You own agreement, you partnership, not registration compulsory or follow the any legal procedures, legal formalities. Anytime only two or more persons you willing, you are agreed that start the this type of businesses. No, fulfill the legal formalities before starting the partnership scheme. Not compulsory registration. This is one of the advantage. Larger resources. Resources also investment amounts sources. You compare to the sole trader business. Sole trader business is only one person. That person financial resources limited. In this type of businesses also two or more persons, maximum 20 members. So number is more. You compare to the sole trader business. So investment amount also more. You compare to sole trader business. That is of the any development or extension of the our business. Business is more size is big. You get the more profits or any further extension use of the more resources that use the develop the business. More business get the more profits. Low business low get the profits. It is one of the advantages of the partnership scheme. Next one is flexibility. What is flexibility? Transferability, changeability, not fixed permanently. Anytime or change of present business easy. You decided the all partners. Present business is also not well. You change of the business. You decided the partners. Easy to change in this type of business. That is one of the advantage situationally. Uh, you change of any time. You agree to the partners. Changeable. That is one of the advantage. Next one is promptness. Prompt means correctly. Any decision taking the correctly. So many decisions also required in the business. That time also two or more persons partners are discussed for the issue or the problem. You take the good decision correctly. Compared to the sole trader business. Sole trader business is the all decisions take the only one person, not other person's involvement. In this type of businesses also, all partners involved taking the any decisions before discussed, compared, evaluate. After you take the good decision, well decision, and promptly. This is one of the advantage. Next one is balance judgment. Any issue, any problem in the business, that I am taking the decision or taking the judgment balancedly. All partners you discussed that problem, that issue. Take the good judgment. All are persons involved. So that is one of the advantage. You compare to the sole trader business. Sole trader business is the only one person. That person will sometime not taking the good decision, good judgment, solve the problem, solve the issue. In this firm also more number of partners. All are discussed. You take the correct decision, correct judgment. That is one of the advantage in this partnership frame. Next one is reduced risk. Reduce means decrease. Risk also losses. Sometimes also get the loss business streams. That time also loss you share other partners. You divided total loss. So each partner your risk is reduced, risk is decreased, risk is less. This is one of the advantage. Sole trader business also only one person owner. All total risk bear that person. No share others in losses in the business. It is one of the advantage partnership teams. Next one is last one, greater managerial talent. Managerial means manage all activities, some knowledge, some required. You maintain the business. In this partnership teams also more than two members. All persons also different field or knowledge persons. Each person also separate you division of work, division of all activities or partnership team. That field also you more knowledge earned that partner. So automatically increase the managerial talents. Performance also well. Division of work. Develop the each partner, each type of activity. That is of the maintenance of the business. So in this type of managerial talents also well greater compared to the sole trader business. These all are advantages or merits of partnership firm. First one is easy of formation. Second one, large resources. Third one, flexibility. Fourth one, promptness. Fifth one, balance judgment. Sixth one, reduced risk. Last one is greater managerial talent. These all are advantages or merits of partnership firms. Next topic is limitations or demerits of the partnership firms. This type of business is also some limitations. Some demerits also have. That all are as follow. Lack of harmony, limited resources, instability, lack of public confidence, risk implied authority, joint and several liabilities. These all are limitations or demerits of partnership forms. First one is lack of harmony. Harmony means relationship, friendship, not good relationship in this long run. First starting also all partners well harmony. Some certain period running after some variation of the friendship relation in the partners. That is one of the problem in the business. That affect also total our business activities. It is one of the disadvantage or limitation. Starting also are well harmony. Relation also good friendship. All partners. After running the certain period, you variation of the harmony of partnership. That affect also total business activities. Is one of the disadvantage. Next one is limited resources. You compare to the companies, giant stock companies. In this limited number of members, only limit the 20 members. General business maximum. Banking businesses have only 10 members. So limited members. You compare to the companies. Companies also more numbers in investment. But more resources. In this low members also resources is very limited. Not big businesses or maintenance running this type of firms also limited resources. You compare to the giant stock companies. This is one of the disadvantage. Next one is instability. Instability means not standard, not permanently. Any partnership, any partner is withdraw our partnership or our investment or any or died or mentally dissolved, that partnership film also closed, not running. This is one of the disadvantage. Any partner withdraw our share, our business in this partnership film, or any died, unfortunately. Any person mentally dissolved, that partnership film also closed, not permanently. Depend the partnership situation, not continuation of the partnership, lifelong. This is one of the disadvantage. Next one is lack of public confidence. Public also outside, not full confident in this type of partnership frame. Public. Why this is not registered before starting the this type of businesses? Not fill the legal formalities before starting the businesses. They need two members or more members. You willing, you prepare a agreement, oral or written. You start the businesses. Not legally procedures or before starting the this type of films. No registration. So this type of films also lack of public confidence. Outside people's not confidently. This running or not running. Anytime you decided the partners, you close the businesses. All partners you decide, discussed, you close anytime our business. No government restrictions, no government conditions. So this type of frames you not confidence the public. This effect you develop the this type of institutions frames further development feature. It is one of the disadvantage. Next one is risk implied authority. Risk implied authority losses. Author implied mean unnecessary involvement of the more some partners or misuse the funds, misuse the our authority for own purpose. That effect also in this type of businesses. That authority based you get the losses. That loss also all other partners also you share. Is one of the disadvantage. Misuse the authority any partner for one purpose. That affect any loss of the business you get, you share the all other partners. It is one of the disadvantage. Last one is joint and several liabilities. In this type of business firms, any one partner insolvency, that person share also other partners in share pay the liabilities. Remaining partners pay the our liabilities, our borrowers or other providers, any loss of the company. That loss not our assets, our investment cover, remaining all borrowers, all liabilities, pay the our own assets. Any one partner insolvency means that is no assets, that person not pay the any liability, no capacity. That person share also remaining partners you share. It is additionally burden. These all are disadvantages of the partnership form. First one is lack of harmony, limited resources, instability, lack of public confidence, risk implied authority, joint and several liabilities. Today we know the what is partnership, features of partnership scheme, advantages or merits of partnership scheme, liability, limitations or demerits of the partnership firm. Today topic is over. Thank you.